Introducing the MSI GeForce RTX 2080 Ti Lightning Z graphics card or eGPU. It has boost clock of 1770 MHz and memory speed of 14 Gbps. And this graphics card or eGPU is a 11 GB and GDDR6 with 3 display ports and one HDMI and one USB Type-C. And this graphics card or eGPU it has a tri-fusar thermal design with using 3 of the award-winning TORX Fans 3.0 with double ball bearings and also using groundbreaking aerodynamic technique. The heatsink is optimized for efficient heat dissipation. It has also a phantom of lightning which is taking a RGB to the next level, which includes the fans. This feature will provide various stunning visual effects with the carbon backplate. This GPU or graphics card is the full carbon backplate strengthens the card but also enhances thermal conductivity using a thick heat pipe and thermal pads, and with the dynamic dashboard which is keep an eye on clocks and in real time or show off your personal animations with this customizable OLED panel through Dragon Center software. This MSI GeForce RTX 2080 Ti Lightning Z GPU or a graphics card has a NVIDIA turning architecture which is revolutionary architecture combined with all new GeForce RTX platform. Uses together real-time ray tracing, artificial intelligence, and programmable shading. You've never created and enjoyed games like this before. And this GPU or graphics card has a real-time ray tracing in games, which is the ray tracing is the definitive solution for lifelike lighting, reflections, and shadows, offering a level of realism far beyond what's possible using traditional rendering techniques. NVIDIA Turning is the first GPU capable of real-time ray tracing. And for the performance of this GeForce RTX gaming GPUs come loaded with the next generation GDDR6 memory, support for DirectX 12 features, and more. This is graphics reinvented. This graphics card or eGPU it has a build to be perfect with the Lightning design, which is MSI Lightning graphics cards are engineered for perfection using the best components, industry-leading design technologies. MSI Lightning graphics cards have been at the top of the overclocking world for years. Advanced cooling, cutting-edge features, and premium quality experience make it the best choice for those looking for top-level performance. Which the phantom of lighting of this graphics card or eGPU which is using an innovative and unique design. The RTX 2080 Ti Lightning provides a whole new level of visual customization with the MSI Dragon Center software. You can control the colors and also how many fan blades perceive. The fans not only dazzle you with vibrant colors and effects but also call this beastly card in silence. And this graphics card or eGPU it has also a dynamic dashboard which is to keep an eye on clocks and temps in real time or show off your own personal animations with this customizable OLED panel through Dragon Center software. And this graphics card or eGPU it has a brilliant display of colors which can choose from millions of colors and predefined animated effects to customize your lighting or synchronize it with other RGB components in your system by MSI Dragon Center software. This graphics card or eGPU has also a reinforced carbon backplate, which is the full carbon backplate improves strength and prevents bending. It is also enhances thermal conductivity for better cooling thanks to a thick heat pipe and thermal pads connecting the backplate to the PCB. This graphics card or eGPU has a lightning thermal design, which is the MSI's reputation for excellent cooling is well known and continued by the new tri-fusar cooling using 3 TORX Fans 3.0 on a huge heatsink ensures a cool and quiet experience for you. This graphics card or eGPU it has TORX Fans 3.0, which is a brand new version of the iconic MSI TORX fan, pushes the limits of thermal performance yet farther than before. The new trims, clearly visible on the traditional fan blade, creates a focused airflow, which in turn is pushed down by the fan blades for increased static pressure, and it has a dispersion fan blade and traditional fan blade. The dispersion fan blade it has a special curved blade which accelerates the airflow, increase its effectiveness, and the traditional fan blade which pushes down a steady airflow to the massive heatsink below. And it has also a gaming with balls of steel, which is a double ball bearings, give the unique MSI TORX Fans 3.0 a strong and lasting course for years of smooth gaming. They also remain virtually silent while spinning under load, keeping your graphics card cool during intense and lively gaming sessions. This graphics card or eGPU has a mastery of aerodynamics, which is the rugged edge fins allow the airflow to pass through heatsink more smoothly, resulting in less noise. The airflow will hit on the long fins first and be goes down to inner heatsink with lower air resistance and higher air pressure. This graphics card or eGPU it has a concentrated heat pipes, which is a 8mm and 6mm copper heat pipes running through the massive array of aluminum fins are the key to spreading the heat along the full length of the heatsink. At the point where they touch base and collect the heat, they are consolidated as close as possible for maximum effect. And it has also copper base plate, which is to temper the heat generated by powerful GPU. MSI Lightning graphics cards use a solid nickel plated copper base plate. The base plate catches the heat pipe from the GPU and transfers it to the heat pipes for dissipation so you can keep cool. With thermal compound X, which is every detail counts when it comes to creating the ultimate thermal design, which is why MSI graphics card use a premium thermal compound to make sure it outlives the competition. And this graphics card or eGPU it has a zero processor calling on demand, which is the first introduced in 2008 by MSI. Zero processor technology is now the industry standard. It eliminates fan noise by stopping the fans in low load situations so you can focus on gaming. This graphics card or eGPU has a traces of brilliance, which is underneath all the metal are the multi-layered electric highways that make up the printed circuit board. They connect all the vital components and allow them to communicate at lightning speed. And for the memory and MOSFET heatsink on these graphics cards or a GPU is a die-cast metal acts as a close quarters heatsink for the memory modules and MOSFET and doubles as an anti-bending safeguard by connecting to the I/O bracket. This graphics card or eGPU has a tailored PCB design, which is not all circuit board are created equal. MSI custom PCB design provides a beefed up power delivery for pushing the card to its limits and uses more layers and a larger surface area to provide ultimate stability. And this graphics card or eGPU it has designed for overclocking, which is built from scratch and designed to deliver the highest stability when overclocking. The MSI Lightning PCBs are the envy of the industry. This generation uses 19 of the industry's highest rated Dr. MOS power pieces as a part of new groundbreaking enhanced power design, delivering plenty of punch for stable extreme overclocking. Incredibly well designed, it doesn't require any external modification to reach world record breaking performance, and it has a pure digital PWM control and multi-temp monitor. The digital PWM control is a pure digital PWM control, enables accurate control and monitoring of power delivering to specific key components, fine-tune each area to find for maximum performance and stability during overclocking session. And for the multi-temp monitor, which is the monitor temperature of GPU, memory, VRM through afterburner, separate thermometer or probe is unnecessary. And this graphics card or eGPU it has a Ln2 Mode Switch, which is the core ideology of Lightning is the ability to break world records easily. With a single BIOS switch, your Lightning card is ready for extreme performance and able to unlock the limits of power, current, and thermal. This simply means you can extract maximum out of your card without the risk of damaging it through soldering or other hard modes. And for the extreme overclocking tools of this graphics card or eGPU is the hardware monitors show you critical hardware information in real-time temperature, usage, clock speed, and voltage. And it has a V checkpoints and quadruple over voltage. The V checkpoints allow you to accurately measure the voltage of your graphics card, as a software will always show a small variance, and this can be disastrous under wrong circumstances. And for the quadruple over voltage, which is a true MSI's unique design, you can apply voltages to not only the GPU and memory, but also an auxiliary voltage that is relevant to your card's stream performance. And don't forget the Dragon Center, which is a brand new software integrates MSI components, desktop system, and peripherals into one platform. Customizing your card's performance and controlling network settings are just a click away. Mystic Light, which controls RGB LED effects, can also be adjusted in Dragon Center. And for the Afterburner, which is a MSI Afterburner, is the world's most recognized and widely used graphics card overclocking software. It gives you full control of your graphics card and enables you to monitor your system's key metrics in real time. And for the OC scanner, which is the latest version of MSI Afterburner, features OC scanner for RTX 20 series graphics card. OC scanner is an automated function that will find the highest and stable overclocking settings for your card, giving you a free performance boost for a smooth in-game experience thanks to higher FPS. And for the future of gaming of this graphics card or GPU is the smoothest, fastest, and most exciting gaming experience ever by eliminating screen tearing, display stuttering, and input lag like screen tearing and no tearing, which is a ultra high resolution UHD delivers 4 times the resolution of 1080p content, enabling much sharper and crisper image with delicate details during gaming, and a high dynamic range, which is HDR, enhances your gaming world with higher contrast and brighter colors you've ever seen before. Prepare for VR with MSI GeForce RTX 2080 Ti Lightning Z graphics card or eGPU, which is to experience and enjoy the impressive world of virtual reality. High performance hardware is required. MSI, world-leading brand in high-end gaming eSport, provides the right advice to make sure your system is VR ready, integrating the very best of cutting-edge technologies and recommended MSI VR gaming hardware for smooth performance. Together with VR partners, MSI brings gamers an extremely realistic VR experience where games come alive. Get the best experience on this graphics card or eGPU is get the most out of your MSI graphics card in terms of performance and experience. Almost unlimited customization options with the included software. So that's it for the MSI GeForce RTX 2080 Ti Lightning Z graphics card or eGPU. So that's it. Good luck to your PC build and see you in the next video. Thank you.